What's up, everybody? It's your boy Doogie. Welcome back to 31st Media. If you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Hey, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and drop some comments. We like family on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for watching. As promised, we're gonna be doing the FN 509. I purchased this my birthday of 2020. It was like a gift to myself. It's kind of a big boy compared to the Taurus. If you haven't seen a video where I clean my Taurus, make sure you check that video out. I'll drop a link on that as well. But this week, we're gonna be doing the FN 509. It's a nice weapon. You see I got the sight on there. It's all black. And yeah, man, for any of the viewers out there, anybody that's watching, if y'all got firearms and you want to hop in and do a little cleaning session with me, feel free, man. We're gonna do this together. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning. So yeah, just like any other weapon, before you start cleaning, you want to make sure that it's cleared and that there's no round in the chamber. I'll be cleaning with some Hobbs lubricating oil. So I'll also be cleaning with some Hobbs board cleaner. All right, this is gonna come in handy. So yeah, I got some Q-tips. And I also have my little cleaning kit, that I got while in the military. So it just has an assortment of things, rods, it has some brushes, it has a snake. It also has these little cloths right here. So it's pretty nifty. The first thing that you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and take the slide off. You wanna pull the slide back, lock it in place, and take this lever and bring it down, okay? So you'll notice this little piece right here is gonna move. So you bring that down, okay? And then you can bring it forward, pull the trigger, slide off, okay? It's easy. So when you look at your components, you got your trigger, you got the lower receiver of your firearm, you have your spring, you have your barrel, of course, and you have your slide. Okay, you got your slide. So what I like to start with, I like to start with the barrel first. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, go ahead, grab your cloth, put your little lubricant oil on that one. Start wiping. And you can start to see the dirt on there already. No, it's not that dirty because I keep them clean. But from just sitting around in the dust and stuff, get dirty. Yeah, man, let me know how it's looking, how y'all weapons looking. Y'all cleaning over there? You know what I mean? Drop some comments, Y'all cleaning over there? When you're about to clean the inside of your barrel, you still wanna make sure you get your snake, and it's gonna have this little thread. So take your cloth, fold it like so, and then you want to feed it. Into this little hole. Okay. So I'm gonna feed it through, and voila. Now you're good. Get it in there even, and then you can take it from here. Just slide it through your barrel. So yeah, you just look through it, and then you can kind of tell where you at with it. You know what I'm saying? You can tell if it's any dirt particles in there. You can tell if you need to do any more cleaning. The rag will tell you how dirty it is, and whether you need to do more. So yeah, that's the part on the barrel, you know what I mean? You want to make sure you don't have too much lubrication on it, you know what I'm saying? You don't want it to just be dripping all over the place, but you do want to have some kind of lubrication, to make sure that all of this metal to metal is not putting too much wear and tear on your weapon, you know. This is the spring. Just like to wipe down the spring, you know. Try to get all the dirt out of it. So yeah, once you got your spring and your barrel clean, you want to go to your slide. Okay. And the slide on the FN is dope too. I'm not gonna lie, it's like real heavy. But I just like to go and wipe the outside. You know, you want to get into the inside. See that dirt? What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking, man? Drop some comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. How is it turning out so far? How are we turning out so far? We looking good? We looking good? Alright. Next, we're gonna go into the lower. Gonna get into the magazine well. Get into your little receiver mechanism. Clean up right there with that trigger mechanism where all this trigger stuff is. Just get all the little extra dirt out, you know. And I just like to double tap, you know. I like to go back over. If I feel like I ain't do good enough, I like to go back over mine. Then when it comes to your scope or whatever, you know, just get you a nice little microfiber rag, you know what I mean? And you can kind of just clean that out. I'll wipe it with this sometime, you know. But yeah, so I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. So yeah, now we just gonna get to putting it back together. You wanna take your barrel, slide your barrel in like so. Slide it in like so, take your spring. And sit it in that little groove. Time to connect it to the lower receiver. You'll see these little grooves right here. Alright, you want to take that, match it up right here, slide it back. Okay, slide it back. But remember, you gotta lock it back like so. Pull the lever back up. So that's different from the Taurus. It has this lever, okay? So once you get that lever on, you can bring it back. Bring it back. Once you get that on, you can bring it back. Hold the trigger, slide it forward. And you should hear that click, okay? We're gonna do it again. Click. Just make sure you're engaging the trigger when you do this, okay? So one more time. That's how you make sure if your weapon is put together properly. In the military, we call it a functions check. You good with this one? like this video, please subscribe, you know what I mean, so you can see videos every time I upload, you know what I mean. Smash that like button so you know it'll help other people see the videos, and I really appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for the next video. We out.